Alif. The sound like apple. O, E. Example word. Ab. It means father. The sound Ba. The sound B like letter B. Ba, bu, B. Example word. Butagaz. It's a stove. Butagaz. Ta. The sound like the letter T. Ta, tu, T. Example word. Tufah. Apple. Tufah. Tha. The sound TH like think. Tha, thu, thi. Example word. Thalab. Fox. Thalab. Jim. The sound like the letter J. Ja, ju, G. Example word. Jamal. It's a camel. Ha. The sound like soft H. Ha, hu, he. Example word. Hisan. Horse. Kha. The sound like KH. Kha, hu, he. Example word. Khobz. Bread. Khobz. Dal. The sound da, do, di. Example word. Dars. Listen. Dal. The sound like th, like this. Tha, thu, the. Example word. Dhahab. It's gold. Dhahab. Ra. The sound like the letter R. Ra, ru, ri. Example word. Rajul. Man. Zai. The sound like the letter Z. Za, zu, zi. Example word. Zait. Oil. Zait. Sin. The sound like S. Sa, su, si. Example word. Samak. Fish. Samak. Sheen. The sound like SH. Sha, shu, she. Sha, shu, she. Example word. Shams. Sod. The sound strong S. Sa, su, si. Example word. Sonduk. Box. Sonduk. Dod. The sound like strong D. Da, do, di. Example word. Do. Light. Ta. The sound like strong T. Ta, tu, ti. Example word. Clear. Bird. Za. The sound like strong TH. Za, zu, zi. Example word. Zarf. Envelope. Ain. The sound like deep throat A. U, I. Ghin. The sound like GH. Ra, ru, ri. Example word. Ghazal. Fa. The sound like the letter F. Fa, fu, fi. Example word. Fum. Mouth. Cough. The sound like Q. Ka, ku, qui. Example word. Qalam. Pen. Calf. The sound K. Ka, ku, ki. Example word. Kitab. Book. Lamb. The sound like the letter L. La, lu, li. Example word. Lay, moon. Lemon. Meme. They sound like the letter M. M, 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 m. Ma, mu, me. Example word. Mouse, mouse. Banana. Noon, noon. They sound like the letter N. N, 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 n. Na, nu, ni. Example word. Noor, light. Noor. Ha, ha. They sound like the letter H. H, 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 h. Ha, hu, he. Example word. Hadiyya, hadiyya. Gift. Wow. They sound like the letter W. Wa, wu, we. Example word. Ward, ward. Rose, ward. Yeah. They sound like the letter Y or long E. Ya, you, ye. Example word. Yad, yad, yad. Hand.